right, guys, here is step 4. So now that you have come up with your 5 landforms and you have figured out what names you're going to make them, it's time to begin drawing your map. It's okay if you have started drawing your map before this, but I just wanted to make sure that I have included this step as we go. The big thing is when you are drawing your map, it should be in a shape that kind of goes with your theme. It shouldn't be a random shape. So this is Star Station. So if you notice, the whole country or island is in the shape of a star. If you were going to do Xbox Island, it might be in the shape of an Xbox controller. Okay, so make sure that your landform, your country or your island is in the shape that goes with whatever theme you chose. You're going to begin to place your 5 landforms onto your map and you're going to label them. So I've put big circles on here just to make sure I'm showing you. Here is Pluto Plateau, so it goes up and it's flat and comes down. That's what a plateau is. It's here, it's drawn on my map, and it is labeled, okay? They even did an arrow pointing to it to make sure that there was no question as to what Pluto Plateau was. Over here, this is Crater Lake, so it's this end over here, this is the lake, and then the rest of it is the river. Okay, so and they've even got that arrow again pointing to it just to make sure that there is absolutely no confusion. Another example is if you have Maple Syrup Mountain, then you should have a mountain range drawn on here. I should see at least one mountain put on my map. Okay, so whatever your landform is, you need to come up with a symbol to match it. Okay, so for example, if you have a mountain, you might want to do triangles. If you have like the harbor, here's a bunch of little water squigglies to go with it. Okay, some of the other landform examples were ocean. So you would come up with, if you choose to do an ocean and not a harbor, you could use that same those same symbols. Forest, you could be drawing trees. Volcano, if you see, it's just another very tall, pointy one. It's just even taller than the mountains. Desert, you could draw some cacti or succulents. Whatever you want to use to go with your country or your island. Now, I do want to say, if you look down at the bottom, one of the landforms is an island. If you choose to use that, then make sure you draw a smaller island off your bigger one, okay? Just so that they are separated. So that is part 4. You're drawing your map. You're getting started with it. You might not be finishing it, but you're actually starting to draw the overall outline and place your landforms on here and have them labeled. That's step 4, guys.